how to make a logo in Canva fast. If you want to make a logo quickly in Canva, then go to the template section. Here you will see the logo section. Click on that. Now inside you will see different kind of logo templates which you can use. These are very easy to use and design. So you can select any one of this to customize. Click on that, and if you scroll down, you will see all these similar kind of designs. You can select other designs also. If anything has this crown emoji, then that means that this is for pro users. Now click on customize this template, after which you will see it in your canvas. Now you can select everything that's in the canvas and modify it. For example, yes is written here, so I'm just gonna select S and replace it with some other words. Now this is all about your own creativity, so use your creativity to design a logo that stands out. You can also change colors of these text or background. When you change color, make sure that you also change the color of the text. For example, this stroke on U is white, so change it to match the background color. You can customize it as much as you like and simply download it in PNG format or JPEG format. It's best if you are just starting out a small business in your social media. That's all for today. Thank you.